Hey YouTubers, it is Gizzy Greenfingers here, and what you see in front of you is my Brazilian rain tree. And it wasn't that long ago since I cut it all right back, and as you can see it's flourishing and doing really well. Now it's got a bit of Nauko, which is a Japanese feed. It's organic, but it does get this like mould growing on it, but I think it's a good mould, so it just doesn't look as nice, but you could always just F about with that and hide it in and just get rid of the mould if you wanted. But that's not the issue today. What is the issue today? And plus you can see how vibrant this tree does look using that now. Oh yeah, organics away. Organics the bloody way. So what is the issue? Well, I'm gonna have to, what am I trying to show you? So hard to, so difficult to show you with all these little leaflets. When I initially cut all this back, I cut it in the wrong place. I did. I cut it in the wrong place. And the same with this side. I cut it, where is it? Right back there. I just cut it too far back. So what I've sort of got is I've got this tree that's all coming this way, which is not my vision at all. I don't want that. And people would say, oh yeah, well you just clip and grow it to another way, so you want to do it that. No, I don't want to do that. I want to get a wire and bend that to that position like that. So you've got all these new shoots and nodes coming out from that direction, and it will look like a bloody tree. Let's take it off that, because that is doing my nut in. And on the other side, that's where I cut it off there. And so everything wants to grow in this direction, and I don't like that. So we'll do the same process. We'll get a wire and we'll wire that like that. And you've got all these different nodes now and shoots coming in different directions that you can work with. So I'll just put you on the tripod and just show you a better way. It's kind of hard to show you what I'm trying to show you basically from this angle, but if you can see from this angle, like everything wants to come out from this direction, which it's not how a tree should look. So I basically want to get a wire and wire both of those like that, so it's more in that tree position, and I can use a lot more of those branches to shape this tree for in the future. But if I don't do that now, it's going to be too late and I won't be able to do it. So I'm thinking, Old Faithful, 2 mil. I'm hoping, here's hoping, we'll get you a better position, and we'll go from there. So I try to get you a better angle. It's not very easy when you've got all these leaflets, which is good, it means it's healthy. But if you can do that now, that won't look out of place. But you've got to do it now. Now, I'm using a 2mm wire. I'll be honest, I'm not even sure if that's going to be sufficient enough. Let's see if my little, that's why I had an accident with it last time. I don't like wiring it, but I'm going to have to. I'm going to have to, Gizzy. Right, so I won't talk now because I need to concentrate. Don't want to get any branches stuck. I'm trying to do my initial wrap. Gizzy in the block. Yeah. Yeah, not that sort of wrap. The wire wrap. I am caught on something. What is that? What's that one? Get out of the bloody way. Right. So when you're wiring, you want to try to bend the branch in question as you wire, but at the same time you want to make sure you don't damage the tree in any way, shape or form, which when you're working with such a lot of foliage, it's not the easiest. It ain't the easiest, Gizzy, is it? No. And you'll get little leaflets like that all trapped in it. What does that mean? Well, it means you snapped it off. It's alright, it's no problem. And then when they die, because they just can't do anything about it, can they? They get stuck between the wire and it kills them. Right, I've got to concentrate now. We've got a branch coming out there, so I don't want to break that effing one off. Effing is not a swearing word, I've been told. That's not what I wanted to do. God, come on, you do that. Oh, that's the old back seat, isn't it? That does hurt the old back seat. Ah, you bugger! I went right. Did you hear that? I don't know if you heard that, but that went right in my finger, that bloody thorn. That did hurt. Oh, that's a branch I don't want to break off. Get out my way. Get out my pup. Get out my pup. Oh, there we go. Right. I think I'm somewhat where I want to be with that. Like I said, you can wire it after. You can play about with the end result in a minute. But I'm just glad that is wired. I haven't caught any, and we've got like a node coming out here now, branch, sorry, coming out there, one coming out there. Got this other one coming out here, so you've got space there. You got this one coming out here, and you'll have other ones coming out in other orifices. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked with that at the moment, I'll tell you. Let's just bring you down to my level and have a look at it from that level. Well, it looks bloody disgusting, Gizzy. That doesn't. He's just jealous. He's jealous because it's got a little bit of excess wire hanging off it. Cut that off. There, like that. And I can play about with this just so it doesn't look like it has been bent, do you know what I mean? Because I can, I'll be honest, if I don't know how to bloody wire now, I'm never going to learn. But yeah, I'm liking that. Now that can just keep going out that way, and that's this one. This one that wants to go out like that, that needs wiring like that. Just to bring that out like that. What bloody direction am I gonna just start to wire this one? You might not be able to see this one very well, ladies and gentlemen, because that's delicate as well. See, the thing about keeping it under lights, you got these wires on. It's not like winter. You're gonna have to keep an eye on these wires, literally on a daily basis, because this thing grows astronomically fast. Well, I think, what's that? Is that a branch? That one can probably come out anyway eventually, so if that gets broken, there's a whole node there. Oh, you can't see anything, can you? Well, you ain't going to see anything anyway. Just trying to work that out. I sort of want that like that. Yeah, right. And we're going to use the old faithful 2mm because it worked on the last bit. But to be fair, on the last bit of that, when I was finishing, it was quite difficult to wire that in without... I didn't have much give in the tree, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Are you going to do this one? God, I don't know. Can you even see what I'm doing? Probably not, but I don't really care at this moment in time. I just want to get the bloody thing wired. Oh, so many bloody branches in the way and leaves. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I like that. What are we stuck on? We're stuck on you. We're stuck on you. I just did the camera. Right. Come on, darling. Yeah, that's good. It's good. Right. Pretty hard to see what I'm doing now, but that one's bending in that direction. Can you see what you're doing? Well, I can't really. One, I need specs probably. Oh, come on. Two, you can't see a lot here anyway. Right, now you've got to start bending this in that direction so to keep this bend. Where am I? God, this is so difficult. This is really difficult, ladies and gentlemen. And I expect a lot of you probably say, oh yeah, it's so unnecessary as well. Well, screw you. My tree, my rules, my roosy-oosies, my woolly-oosies. I think we are getting there. Oh, there's a branch there. Where's that? Oh, that's coming down from the bottom, so if that gets snapped off, you probably don't even want that one there. But still, I don't want to break any branches off. Has he done it? Nearly. If not, yes. God, it's killing my bloody back. Oh, you're getting old. You're getting old, alright. Where are we? God, that's a bit too much. What have I done? What have I done? So, I think... That's it. That's what you want. What do you mean it's not in focus, Gizzy? Well, I can't help it if this camera's crap now on my phone. So we've got that branch there, that'll do that thing. That's where we bent it from that direction to go in that direction, so you'll have something coming out here. You've got another branch coming out here, and that is exactly what I wanted. And we cut the excess off. Do I want to bend that round one more time? Pow! And the dirt is gone. Yeah, I like that. It's cool. That is cool. See, oh, this is where you can do your fine tuning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So you don't want it like flat. like that, diagonal, you sort of do want it going up a bit, just to get that appearance, you know. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that as it is. I'll put this back under my lights until it's time to actually prune it back again, which, because I've just been playing about with it like I have, I don't particularly want to cut any of these back, not right back, not today. It's doing well though, it is doing well. Time will tell. But that's why I've wired that today. Because if I'd left that any longer, it wouldn't have done what I wanted it to do whatsoever. So do it early, and then that's what you want. Do it early, and then you ain't going to get scars from wires, basically. You know what I mean? And I've already got one little scar from a wire. There, you see him? It's starting to heal up. Bloody camera, there we go. Yeah. There, it was a... But that's it. That is the wiring I want to do today. My problem branches, they were my problem branches. This can all be sort of clip and glowed, all these top bits. I'm not really bothered about them. They were the main ones I wanted to get wired. These ones, they don't get a lot of light. So they don't do too well, to be fair. So maybe these may just be sacrificial branches, these two bottom ones here. But who knows? I'm going to leave them on for now. But that's doing well. And that can all be clip and growed. And we're laughing. So yeah, if you like my Brazilian rain tree, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra for now. Kizzy Green Fingers.